Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You sign into YouTube with the account that owns the channel. This step is necessary because only owners can change contact details. Once signed in, go to YouTube Studio and open Settings to access permissions and account links. Make sure you already have the new email or Google account prepared so you don't interrupt access. If the channel uses a brand account, you'll need to manage owners under brand account settings rather than simple profile settings. In YouTube Studio, go to Settings, then Permissions to add or change managers for brand accounts. Click Invite, enter the new email, and assign owner or manager as needed. If you're switching the primary Google account email, open your Google account personal info and update contact or recovery email there. Note some primary Gmail addresses can't be changed. Once you invite a new owner, they must accept the invite from their inbox. Make sure two-factor. Once the new email accepts the invitation, confirm ownership in brand account settings, and if applicable, transfer primary ownership after the mandatory waiting period. Make sure you remove the old owner only after confirming full access from the new email. This prevents accidental lockout. If something goes wrong, check the invite status, spam folder, and two-factor authentication requirements first, and ensure the new email is a valid Google account. If issues persist, use Google Account Support to resolve permission or verification failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.